All right, so some of us have wanted to make a shelf instead of the wall mounting lamp holder like you have seen in the other videos. So the premise is pretty much the same. You're going to need some different numbers here though. Notice the width is going to be an important one. That's how wide you want your shelf to be. Let's do 7 inches for mine, right? That sounds good. You'll notice it gets wider right away. The length here, how far it sticks out from the wall, let's not go more than like 3.5 inches on that max. So let's change that to like 3. That sounds pretty good. Mine's not going to change right now because I messed something up. But make yours shorter. It shouldn't stick out from the wall this far. It's not going to end up very good. The other thing here is this piece of wood here on the top, it's going to start bending as you put things on it that are heavy, right? So this wood is not very strong, so it wants to bend. So we're going to add an extra piece that's going to make it look better and also make it stronger. So we're essentially adding a front box to the front there. So let's start that. New sketch on this front surface, and I'm going to say use this corner and where that bottom edge there. Notice I changed this side piece so there's it's vertical on the side there. Let's see that. So it's straight up and down there. So, I'm on the back side now. So when we are working here, we got those two corners. Let's draw a rectangle and let's go like so, putting some nice little pieces in there. Remember to dimension things, so this should be the thickness here. And I'm going to hide all these so it's easier to work with right now. And starting right in the center, I'm going to draw a mirror line so I don't have to do both halves. I can just do one half. Ooh, that changed back. And we are putting a couple tabs in here as we do. Put as many as you like, all that good stuff. This one should not be a construction line. And then this, and this should all be equal, like we've done before also. Ooh, didn't like that. I think this is already set to be equal. Yeah. So now I'm going to reflect it real fast. Mirror. This is my mirror line. These things need to get mirrored. All right, looking pretty good. Now I'm going to extrude this, and I'm going to extrude only this. And these pieces here. Oop, not that one. All right, now we can see what's going to go on there. I want to go the other direction. And thickness is how far I'm going there. Let's turn on these others so I can see what's going on here again. And look at that, that's looking pretty good. That's what I want. And then as we've done in the past too, we are going to say Boolean, and we say subtract. The tools are these side pieces. Excuse me, I got that backwards. The tools is the front piece. The targets are the side pieces. And we're going to say keep tools, and that's going to cut away. And then you'd obviously get rid of the holes you don't need. You're still going to need those holes in the back side there so that you can mount it to the wall. But you get the general idea. Add that front bracket, that front plate on there. Going to make your shelf stronger and look better and decorate away, make it look cool. Enjoy. Bye-bye.